infinity. When t approaches infinity, dear students, k will be equal to the number of collisions taking place. The third question he can ask you, if for a particular reaction the value of activation energy is 0. If activation energy is 0, e raised to power 0 is 1, it means all collision will be effective, then the answer will be k is equal to A. Now another question, for a reaction A giving you B, the value of rate constant of k is given as this much and at 298 Kelvin. Again at 308 Kelvin he has given you the value this. Then he asks, what is the order of reaction? There are certain questions like this in which you have to see simply the units. He has given you the rate constant and its units are mole inverse liter second inverse, which is for a second order reaction. No need to solve this question. Simply by seeing this units you can say it is a second order reaction. So you can get some questions where simply by seeing the units you can predict the order of reaction, you can predict the answer of the question instead of going over a number of steps. Later on you realize, oh, the units of only one question were correct. Now another question regarding the half-life period. You know, half-life period is the time during which the concentration of the reacting substance is reduced to half. You must know that in the case of radioactive substance, half-life period is the time during which the number of radioactive nuclide reduces to half, because in that case all the molecules may not be radioactive, so only those molecules which are radioactive, their concentration reduces to half. Whenever you are reading the choices, please read it carefully. He may give you the concentration reduces to half, the number of radioactive nuclei reduces to half, so the best answer will be the number of radioactive nuclei reduces to half. Now let us take a question. Half-life of a substance following first order kinetics is 5 days. Starting with 100 gram of A, amount left after 15 days is, dear students, amount left after time t is given by the expression A is equal to A naught into half raised to power n, where n is the number of half-lives, means total time divided by half-life period. Here total time is 15 days, half-life is 5 days, so the value of n comes out to be 3. It means that the amount left will be equal to half raised to power 3 into A naught, which will come out to be 100 into 1 upon 8, that is to say 12.5 grams. So you get a general formula that amount left after n half-lives is equal to A naught into half raised to power